How to turn on or turn off gesture delete in Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on general management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on keyboard list and default. Now tap on Gboard and then tap on glide typing. Next, tap on gesture delete. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on gesture delete. And once it is turned on, you can delete by using this backspace here. So on the backspace key, you can swipe across like this to delete individual words or the whole sentence like that. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.